Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Fiat 500 hood. It's a straightforward process that involves two main steps. First, you'll find a release lever inside the car. Then, you'll engage a safety latch at the front. Knowing these steps ensures you can easily access your engine for routine checks or maintenance, keeping your vehicle running smoothly. To start, open the passenger side door of your Fiat 500. Now, look down into the footwell area near the door sill. You should see a small, often red lever. Gently pull this lever towards you. You'll hear a distinct click, indicating that the primary hood latch has been released and the hood has slightly popped open. With the primary latch released, walk to the front of your car. You'll notice the hood is slightly ajar, creating a small opening. Carefully reach your fingers into this gap, directly above the Fiat badge. You'll feel a secondary safety latch. Push this lever to the right or center, and while holding it, gently lift the hood upwards. Now that your hood is open, find the prop rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood or in the engine bay. Unclip it and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the hood to keep it securely open. When you're finished, remove the prop rod, clip it back, and gently lower the hood from about 12 inches above the closed position to ensure it latches properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.